Silk team, what's going on, man? You already know it's 360 Silk. And I got an unboxing for y'all today. And in this box, I got the Extra Luxe Red Laser Hair Regrowth Cap. That boy's supposed to help your hair grow. Know what I mean? So hey, we're gonna see what's going on. All right, I got y'all boys up on my kitchen counter. I'm gonna grab my little knife. Let's see what's going on, man. Cut that boy open. Got the bubble wrap. All right, look at the hat right here, man. Boom. I'm gonna move the box out the way. All right, boom, Extra Luxe. I got the Super Plus version. This one got 276 lasers. This one ain't the most powerful, but this is the one that the hair specialist recommended to me. This one costs like $850. The more powerful one costs $1,500. Let's see what's going on, man. Let me open that boy up. All right, let's see what's in the box, man. If I can get that boy open. It's like a shoebox. And this is like the box of Space Jams come in. For all my sneakerheads. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. Got the flip open box right here. Dang, hey. Come on, man. Hey. It's like an alien helmet. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it says, hold on. It say open me first. Let me open this first. Got some instructions in here. Boom. All right, it's a storage case. All right, it's instructions. That's what it is. I'll read those later. All right, boom, we got the case right here. Let's see what's going on, man. The magic unveiling. Dang, where is it at? Hold on, man. All right, that boy's hiding from me. Yes, sir. Hey, that I got scanned for a minute, man. But boom, got the Extra Luxe on top. It's white. It look like this is the are the lasers right here. I'm guessing you plug that boy in somewhere. Look like something they use on the electric chair, boy. But boom, got the hat right here. Put that boy back for a second. See what we got in here. All right, this look like a charger or something. Let me see. All right, this look like the charger right here. Nah. Hold on. Let me read some instructions, man, because I don't know what I'm looking at. Hold on. We better learn it together right now. Got the universal AC adapter. What is that? All right, this is the charger right here. What we got right here? Charge battery pack. All right, this is a battery pack. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. This is a battery pack. Boom. Plug this in right here. Boom. Plug this into the wall. Boom. To charge this. Then, once that's charged, take that out. Plug this into the hat. Boom. It's like that. Boom. Turn that boy on. Put on your head. All right, let's see what else we got, man. All right, look like these is just different plugs. Get that last one out. All right, these are just different plugs to put on here. Pop that boy off. You got a different plug. I mean, from a different country or something. Put that boy in. Boom. I stay in America, so I'm gonna be using this one. Regular plug. All right, we got a clip. What is a clip for? I don't know. Let me see. What is a clip for? I'm gonna guess nothing right now, man. Hey, I don't need the clip. Got a little strap. I'm guessing that's for the carrying case. Strap that boy on somewhere. All right, so the laser dome, it says flexible. So it's a flexible dome. I ain't gonna squeeze it too much. I ain't trying to break it. But that's it though, man. I don't know how to use it yet, so this ain't no tutorial, but I'm gonna figure out how to use it, and I'll show y'all boys how to use it next. But make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. Yes, sir.